Verification and validation are two important concepts in quality assurance. While they are related, they refer to different processes and serve distinct purposes. Let's discuss in this episode of S&P Knowledge Series on the topic verification versus validation, different approaches, examples from different sectors, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, ATP, Instructor, PMI, USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, FIA, Chartered Engineer, Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, GST and International Business and Projects Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, National Council Member, IIMM. Verification and validation are two important concepts and processes, used to ensure the quality and reliability of a product. Although these terms are related and often used interchangeably, they refer to different objectives, approaches, processes and serve distinct purposes. Let's now discuss with each of these concepts and differentiate with the other. Verification focuses on evaluating the compliance of a product, system, or component with specified requirements and standards. Whereas, validation assesses whether a product, system, or component satisfies the intended purpose and meets the customer's expectations. Verification ensures that the product is built correctly, according to the given specifications. Validation focuses on evaluating the overall suitability, effectiveness, and value of the end product. Verification aim to answer the question, did we build the product right? Validation aim to answer the question, did we build the right product? For the verification, the responsibility typically lies with the organization or individuals involved in the development or production process. For the validation, the responsibility for validation lies with the end users, customers, or stakeholders who have specific requirements or expectations. Both verification and validation are essential for ensuring the quality, safety, reliability, compliance and success of products or systems. In the context of the automobile sector, verification and validation are two important processes used to ensure the quality and reliability of vehicles and their components. Let's explore the differences between verification and validation, along with industry examples in the automobile sector. Verification refers to the process of evaluating a system or component to determine whether it meets specified requirements. It focuses on ensuring that the system is built right. It is typically performed through various inspections, reviews, and analyses. Example: in the automobile industry, verification can involve activities such as checking that a vehicle's design complies with safety regulations, conducting inspections to ensure that the assembly of components follows the specified procedures, and performing tests to verify that individual parts meet the required performance standards. For instance, in the verification process, engineers may test the braking system of a car to ensure that it meets the required specifications for braking distance, response time, and effectiveness. This testing involves performing experiments, analyzing the data, and comparing the results against the predefined criteria. Validation, on the other hand, is the process of evaluating a system or component during or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies the intended use and user requirements. It focuses on ensuring that the right system is built. Validation involves performing tests, simulations, and user feedback analysis to ensure that the product meets the customer's needs and expectations. Example: in the automobile industry, validation can involve activities such as testing a vehicle under various driving conditions to ensure its performance and reliability. It may include conducting durability tests to validate the vehicle's ability to withstand harsh environments and extended use over time. For example, a car manufacturer may subject a new vehicle model to a series of road tests that simulate different driving scenarios, such as city driving, highway speeds, and off-road conditions. The purpose of these tests is to validate that the vehicle performs as intended, meets safety standards, and provides a satisfactory user experience. To summarize, verification focuses on checking whether a product or system has been designed and implemented correctly according to its specifications, while validation focuses on evaluating whether the product or system meets the customer's needs and expectations. Both verification and validation are crucial steps in the development process of automobiles to ensure their quality, safety, and reliability. Let's now explore the difference between verification and validation in the context of pharmaceutical research and development, R&D. Example: drug formulation development. Verification. During the formulation development of a new drug, verification activities involve ensuring that the formulation process adheres to established guidelines and quality standards. This may include verifying the accuracy of measurements, verifying the correct usage of equipment, and verifying the compliance of the formulation with predefined specifications. The objective is to confirm that the drug formulation has been prepared correctly according to the defined requirements. The verification process would involve examining the formulation's composition, conducting laboratory tests, and comparing the results against the predetermined specifications to ensure accuracy and compliance. This ensures that the product is being developed correctly according to the established standards. Validation. In drug formulation development, validation activities focus on evaluating the performance and effectiveness of the formulated drug product. This includes conducting stability studies to validate the shelf life and potency of the drug under different storage conditions. It also involves performing bioavailability studies and clinical trials to validate the efficacy and safety of the drug in human subjects. The objective is to validate that the drug formulation is suitable, effective, and safe for its intended use. This involves conducting preclinical and clinical trials to evaluate the drug's effectiveness, potential side effects, and proper dosage levels. The validation process ensures that the drug being produced is the right product, meeting the necessary quality and safety criteria for public use. In summary, verification in pharmaceutical R&D ensures adherence to requirements and standards, while validation focuses on confirming suitability, efficacy, and safety for the intended purpose. Verification ensures the process is done correctly, while validation evaluates the end result's appropriateness. Let's now explore the differences between verification and validation, along with examples from the service sector. Software testing. Verification is the process of reviewing the software requirements and design documents to ensure that they are complete and accurate. Validation is the process of testing the software in real-world scenarios to ensure that it works as expected and meets the customer's needs. Banking services. Verification is the process of ensuring that all the necessary documentation, such as identity proof, address proof, and income proof, are collected from the customer when opening an account. Validation is the process of ensuring that the banking services meet the customer's needs, such as providing accurate account information, making transactions without errors, and providing good customer service. Healthcare services. Verification is the process of ensuring that all the medical records and information are accurate and complete. Validation is the process of ensuring that the healthcare services provided meet the patient's needs, such as accurate diagnosis, proper treatment, and good communication with the patient and their family members. In summary, verification and validation are two crucial processes that ensure the quality and accuracy of products or services. While verification is a static process that reviews and inspects the documentation, validation is a dynamic process that tests and verifies the product or service in real-world conditions. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.